Good day mga Kabayan Techers, this is your The Kabayan Tech. We're going to do a 12 mini screen replacement using I2C and an Incell Screen for the 12 mini. But before we begin, help my channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. So we begin by taking out the security screws, putting it in the hot plate for 2 minutes 70 Celsius. Then we use the Refox to lift the screen, lock it, and then twist the knob. When you see any opening, you put 99% isopropyl alcohol. And then when you see it lifts up, put in a pick or a screen separator, then put more isopropyl. Take it out from the screen remover, and you might notice that the screen is already separating from the actual glass. But we don't need this screen anyway, so we're good with that. Put more alcohol to take out the screen entirely, then it folds out going to your left. Then we're going to remove screws. Take out the cowling for the battery cover first. It has a hinge, so be careful. And then we take out the actual battery. Next is we take out the cowling for the display and also for the front flex. We take out the adhesive later. Let's take out 4 screws. The first 2 set are crosshead screws, and the second part would be the tri-wing screws. Then we put this one again for 1 minute in our heat plate. Then we take out the front flex by putting more alcohol, but let's start off with the foam and put this foam onto the new screen. It is optional. Then we take out the actual flex, put in more isopropyl alcohol to loosen the glue, and use a flat black stick. Once we take it out, we transfer it to the new screen. And then we're going to put back the 4 sets of screws. Once we're done, just double check if there are no pinch cables. We go to I2C Tool 1 and then copy the original serial number, put in the new screen, and write it. And you may see it says write failed. So it means that the I2C is not capable of doing this. So I grab a JC and copy it again and then write it. And you might notice this one works. For whatever reason, I don't know. Then let's put back the front flex cable and also the display cable. And then put in the battery connector. Let's turn it on. You might notice there will be that we have transferred the true tone, and touch quality is okay and brightness is okay. You will also see an important display message because we didn't transfer anything, just the main display. It won't affect the functionality of the display. It's how Apple locks their parts. So we have to transfer the chip if you want that notification to disappear, but I won't do it now. So for our next video, we're going to do a battery replacement where the iPhone has a 77%. Thank you very much and have a good day.